Now we are going to learn about the next learning disability, that is dysgraphia. First we learned about dyslexia. Now we are going to learn about dysgraphia. What is dysgraphia? Dysgraphia is a specific learning disability that affects writing abilities. Dysgraphia is a specific learning disability that affects writing abilities. The term dysgraphia has its origin from the words dys, which means difficulty, and graphia, meaning writing. Dysgraphia is a deficiency in the ability to write, regardless of the ability to read, not due to intellectual impairment. This is very important point. Dysgraphia is a deficiency in the ability to write, regardless of the ability to read, not due to intellectual impairment. Again, I'm talking about dysgraphia. It is a specific learning ability that affects writing abilities. The term dysgraphia has its origin from the words dys meaning difficulty and graphia meaning writing. Next, we are going to learn about the general indications of dysgraphia. Here, the first one is habit of mixing lower and upper letters. If the child is writing both uppercase and lowercase in a word, it is a symptom of dysgraphia. The next one is irregular letter sizes and shapes. It is also symptom of dysgraphia. Unfinished letters, making spelling mistakes, general illegibility. If the child is not writing clearly, if the child is not writing neatly, it's a symptom of dysgraphia. Decreased or increased speed of writing and copying. If the child is slow to copy something, it's a symptom of a dysgraphia. At the same time, if the child is fast in writing and copying the notes, it's also a symptom of dysgraphia. Talk to self while writing. If the child is talking to them, if the child is talking to herself or himself, it's a symptom of dysgraphia, which means if the child is talking herself or himself while writing, is a symptom of dysgraphia. And poor use of lines and spaces. If the child is not aware of, if the child is not following the rules and regulations of lines and spaces, it's an important, it's a symptom of dysgraphia. And very poor structure of words, disability of putting thoughts and ideas in writing. If the child is not able to in add the thoughts and ideas in writing, that is a symptom of dysgraphia. And habit of speaking words while writing, and improper way of holding pencil. It's very important point. If the child is not holding the pencil or pen properly, it's a symptom of dysgraphia. Incomplete words and lots of omitted words while writing. If the child is not able to write the word completely, or if the child is continuously omitting the words letters, it's symptom of dysgraphia. And experiencing pain in the hand while writing. If the child is with affected dysgraphia, uh, the child should have pain in the hand while writing. Odd wrist, body, and paper position. If the child is not following the correct position of paper and wrist, is a symptom of dysgraphia. Irregular letter sizes and shapes, frequent need of verbal cues, and poor eligibility. These are the general indications of dysgraphia. So learn about this and do well.